So I'm here at the Shoreline fire at 170th Street in Aurora, otherwise known as Highway 99, and right now Seattle Fire Department and Shoreline and North Shore Fire Departments are all here battling this blaze. As you can see from the last update, there was only smoke, but now there's fire. Well, the reason of that is because the fire department opened up the roof up a little bit, and that allowed more oxygen to get inside the building, and where oxygen, it helps the fire grow. So right now firefighters have pulled back. They have brought out the ladder trucks, and they're dumping a ton of water on this fire. Right now there's no word what is caused this fire, what started it, but right now there's two adjacent buildings that are being soaked down to keep the fire and the radiant heat from starting those businesses on fire as well. But this fire basically started off as a little baby, but definitely, as you can see, it's growing to be a giant. So it'll be going for quite a while throughout the night. Expect Aurora to be closed for quite a while. In Shoreline, Peter Mongelo for Como Communities.